One of the most common questions that I get about my riding around in suburban Phoenix is dealing with the heat. And yes, it gets just crazy hot here in Phoenix. In fact, it's only March 24th, and the high today is going to be 92. It's 80 degrees at 10:30 in the morning, and I've been out for a while, so I'll go back and show you how it all started this morning. Take a look at the low temperature. That's what it was like when I was at McDonald's getting my coffee. I took a reflection selfie so you could see in the morning it was shorts and long sleeves weather. I've also slathered on a lot of SPF 50 and 100 sunscreen, and I have the thingy there whose name I don't know that protects my neck. But I've been out for about 3 hours, stopped and had a picnic lunch. It's 10:30 and my ride is coming to an end. It'll be just a little over 80 degrees when I get home. Well, let's ride. I'm lucky. I'm doing this for fun. I don't have to be out there in really harsh weather. And I sympathize with people who do, because there are a lot of people who have to. They have no choice. And I was lucky that during my corporate days, I would go from an air-conditioned car to an air-conditioned building, so I never really had to deal with the heat. So while I've lived in Phoenix for many years, I've never really spent a lot of time out in that heat. But I've known a lot of people who can be out there. They keep things moving. If it's 100 degrees, they're still out there. Thank you. But I'm just out there riding my tricycle. So when it gets above 80, it's time for me to go home. Okay, I heard that. You just called me a wimp. Well, I am. But I do appreciate the people who give me more credit than I deserve, thinking that I'm out there for hours and hours in the intense desert heat, going up and down mountains, that sort of thing. Nah, I'm just noodling around my neighborhood. But I just love getting out here and riding low and slow. And if you're new to the channel, you just discovered me, welcome. And for the rest of you people, I'm going to call you OG. I just learned that. It means original gangsters. Thank you for being here. Okay, we're coming up on the intersection of 67th Avenue and Peoria Avenue. And as soon as I cross the street, I'll go from Peoria to Glendale. There we go. We're in Glendale. Looks like some road construction over there. But we can get across. Okay, let's be careful. Here we go. Wow, I can really feel the heat coming on. Time to get back into an air-conditioned building and relax. It'll be cool again tomorrow morning. See you then. Thank you for riding along with me today. Please like and subscribe.